Are you on CME Free University of Learning? Creative Minds Educators, aka CME, is an organization set up to champion creativity within the learning space and education sphere. We provide products and services as well as free jobs to help deliver value, increase impact and creativity to our clients and target market. We host trainings, conferences, workshops, and online continuous professional development to several individuals, groups, and organizations. Our vision is to raise world-class creatives in education, and our mission is to provide cutting-edge solutions and shared practices through innovative means and technology to our target market. Our core values are consistency, collaboration, support, creativity, and resourcefulness. CME's platform is a continuous learning group where opportunity is available for educators, administrators, and teachers to learn new skills and knowledge on an ongoing basis. We run 100 WhatsApp platforms for teachers to learn, unlearn, and relearn, 10 school owners platforms, 45 lecture platforms, 25 job vacancy platforms, and 20 speculation platforms. To join any of our WhatsApp platforms, simply send a message to 081 340 96110. It's free.